Good afternoon. Dean here in Cape Coral, Florida, holding an open house at one of our newest listings. This is the Oasis model. It was just completed. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,000 square feet. The address is in the description, but I'll tell you, it's 503 Southwest 26th Ave. You got an empty lot next door. We got some beautiful homes. This home was just built last year. So was that one and the one next to it. Got an empty lot. It's pretty close to a lot of things here. You got Matlacha Isles, which is that way. You got the Oasis Charter School about half a mile down. You got a beautiful park nearby. You got a plaza within walking distance from here. All right, let me give you a tour of this new listing. So, as always, we have the pavers in the front of the house here. I did the shutters in the front on here. They came out great. They actually expanded the pavers to the side over here. So normally you'd have grass here, but you have that extra pavers to the side, all the way to the side of the garage, next to the AC unit. Gutters, drop down lights. Beautiful landscaping here. Got a total of 5 palm trees on this property. 4, I should say 4. Nice grand entrance here. All right, let's head inside. Okay. So we got the 10-foot ceilings here. We got the foyer here with 14-foot ceilings. These are the coffered ceilings. Everything you see in the house is included, besides my laptop and that chair. I need that chair. Nice entrance here. These are hurricane impact windows and doors. The doors have that tint to them, so you can't see through them. Porcelain tile throughout the entire house. Stainless steel appliances. This house does have the upgraded appliances. You have the French door refrigerator here with this feature. You can install apps on there and play music on there and take pictures, and I don't know what else it does, but it's pretty cool. So you got the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling. These gray cabinets have been very popular. You got the quartz countertops here, the waterfall island. This does have a disposal, dishwasher, microwave, deep sink. The TV, fireplace included. That's a 65-inch. Let me put away my noisy keys. So you got this built-in TV enclosure. And I really love this wood veneer look. And to match it, they did that underneath the kitchen island. Kind of goes well also with the flooring. It's got a tint of the brown in it. You got your dining room over here. And if you look at the pictures, the listing pictures of this property, I always virtually stage these homes, so it gives you a good idea what it looks like with some furniture inside. But let's head out over here to the master. So this floor plan is very popular because you have the master on the opposite side of the guest bedrooms. So these are 9-foot 4-inch ceilings. You also have 8-foot doors throughout the whole house. This is a really good sized room. You got the sliders, also hurricane impact. They go out to the lanai with the outdoor grill station. You got 2 large walk-in closets on each side here. They went with the oversized mirror. I love it. And then normally this center part is empty, so you can put a chair there for makeup and whatnot, but they decided to fill it in this time, so you got some extra storage space in the master bath. Nice freestanding tub with a nice creative layout, or backsplash I should say. And then you got your shower. And you can come out this opposite side. You got some storage right there. And then you got your private toilet room right there. Just need some reading materials. We're good to go. All right. Let's head out to the other side over here. Oh, by the way, I love this backsplash. It looks like it's coming out, protruding out, but it's actually flat, as you can see. It's a pretty cool design. You got some linen closets right there. Again, 8-foot doors throughout the whole house. This is your pool bath. Oh, Dean did it again. He's recording another video with the toilet seat up. I sure am, guys. I sure am. It is new construction. Hasn't been used yet. So it is clean, I hope. So you got the glass doors here. Nice design. Tile from top to bottom. Again, this bathroom leads out to the pool. This is your first guest room. Good sized room. I believe it's 10 by 10 or 10 by 12. Built-in closets here. Good size. Fans in every room. This one looks out to the back. You can see the pool from here. And if you've seen the promotional video that I did for this property, you can find it on my Facebook page and on Instagram. I actually jumped into that pool for this video. It was quite refreshing. It's been pretty hot, pretty humid. This time of the year, that's normal. So I did not mind when my videographer suggested I jump in the pool. All right, so we got the lanai out here. We got the pavers again. The pavers just look so much nicer than just a standard concrete flooring. And again, this door, there's hurricane impact. It closes, or opens I should say, all the way like this. So when you decide to entertain, you open the door. People can easily go in and out. And you got another door right there that opens up all the way. You got this beautiful pool. So, and it's fully enclosed. You got a sink out here. Wine cooler. Really nice grill. It's a 4-burner. Little hood vent. Fans outside over here. And this is on a 1/4-acre lot. You got good privacy in the back. Got the 6-foot fence. Neighbor doesn't have a pool, so you get a little bit more privacy there as well. They're not going to be spending as much time outside. All right, that concludes this video. Again, this is the Oasis model at 503 Southwest 26th Ave. All the description on this property is in the description below. It's currently listed at $629,900. Okay, all the homes in this price point, they usually come as is. And what I mean by that is, you see the TV, you see the appliances, it says sold as is. Okay, a lot of builders don't even include fans. Okay, they won't include wine fridges. They won't include a lot of features. They won't put the pavers in, just standard concrete. So there's a lot of extra stuff with this property that just people really love. So that's why we keep putting them into these homes. The one thing that we never do at this price point we don't put in the pool heater or the saltwater system. That is personal preference. This time of the year, you don't need a pool heater at all. Majority of the year, you don't need a pool heater at all. Saltwater is not for everybody. Not everybody wants it. But if you wanted those two things, it's typically about a $5,500 upcharge to get that added on, and that can be always negotiated. So if that's something you're interested in, give me a call. Let's discuss it. If this house is not for you, give me a call anyways. Let me see if I can find something for you here in Cape Coral. Love to work with you. As always, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, comment, reach out. Have a great day.